In this video, we're fixing the sound issue on an HP EliteBook laptop. First, click on the Start menu and type DXDIAG. This will help us confirm the exact laptop model. As you can see here, the model is HP EliteBook 840G7. Now open your browser and type your model name followed by the word drivers. For example, HP 840G7 drivers. Open the first link that appears. This is the official HP website. Next, select your operating system. Then choose your Windows version, usually the latest one. It doesn't matter too much as long as it matches your system. Click Submit. Scroll down to the driver audio section. Click to expand it and then hit Download. The download may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the file is downloaded, open the folder where it was saved. Right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator. Then simply follow the steps. Click Next, and let it install the audio driver. When the installation is complete, you'll notice the red cross on the sound icon has disappeared. The audio is now working perfectly. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.